Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Diana Carolina Verano. I study industrial engineer. At this time we are going to talk about the step number 3 of identify technology value. With our classmates we took the decision to do the concept map about the lack information on production costs, the causes and the effects that it takes for the companies. Unfortunately, in Colombia, we don't have the correct information to do the value process. So one of the causes that I have identified are the missing information of the production, which effect is it can generate waste time and money because improvisation process. Another cause that I did identify is about the legal regulations. Some companies don't know or don't understand very well the legal regulations at Colombia, so it makes to the companies to get penalties or extra costs for penalties and the risk to get the business closed. And the lack information about the competitors. So some companies, when they start working, they don't do the market study, so their idea for the new business can be maybe be out of the market trend and weak position in the market. So my recommendation as an engineer is all the companies should to assign a budget to do the investigations about the market technologies, how it can help to your company grow up. Also, even if the method of the value of the market are complicated sometimes to understand, it's necessary the companies start to do a study and implement it inside the process, because it is a pretty good tool to see how is the company going against the customer requirements, against the market, and it can bring tools to see how to work to be stronger in the market. Thank you.